Look, it's definitely artificial. Get the scanners up here now!
All right, team, this is it. We start excavation right here. Carefully now.
I've never seen anything like this. Are you sure it's solid metal?
It seems to be connected to something much larger underneath. Credible. The distance is exactly 12 meters. These fangs are perfectly symmetrical. Keep clearing the base.
Be careful with that root, it's connected to the main structure.
Look at the size of this opening.
We need to report this immediately. Pull the last section clear.
By the stars, look at that!
It's breathtaking, completely intact.
Careful with the plating there.
Look at the scale of this thing. Shifting to high beam now. The structure inside is incredible. Pass me the tweezers, please. Here they are. Be very gentle around the pits. We are making good progress on the cheek structure.
Look at the size of those fangs.
How is this even possible?
This changes everything.
Okay, easy now. 20 degrees right, clear that section of fern, but watch the plating. Do not touch the hull.
The corrosion here is worse than anticipated. We need to proceed with extreme caution on this section.
Reading is 0.35 inches at this point.
Recorded. The average is holding steady, but look at this section here.
Keep the pumps running at full capacity. Focus on the starboard side trench.
Log this as structural failure. Plate designation 479er.
We need to prioritize these lower support beams. The corrosion here is worse than anticipated.
Copy that. Starting structural analysis now.
Okay, the primary fracture extends another 12 centimeters past the collar. Mark this section for immediate replacement. Copy that. The pitting here is deeper than we thought.
The structural integrity here is compromised. We need to reinforce the main struts before proceeding with the window removal. This oxidation is worse than we thought. We'll need specialized tools for these seized connections before we even think about the hydraulics. The stress points are right here on the schematic. We lift slowly from the bow section first, then stabilize the hull.
Torquing complete on shackle 4.
All points secure, ready for the lift.
Control to ground team. Confirm green on all restraints.
Affirmative, Supervisor. Moving to checkpoint Charlie.
Check the brackets on section Gamma 6. Make sure the corrosion isn't compromising the seal.
Copy that, Supervisor. Brackets are secure.
All teams, slow lift confirmed. Watch the starboard lines.
Roger that, Supervisor. Moving to traverse.
Are the forward beams secured? Yes, ma'am. Beams are locked in place. All right, clear the area. Release the crane tension.
Slow the approach, carrier. You are clear on the starboard side. Keep it steady. Okay, everyone, slow and steady. Watch your clearance on the left. Just a few more feet.
Slow lift on the hydraulics. Confirm alignment on the bow structure.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Alignment looks good.
All right, team. As per the schematics, we start with the bow section's structural integrity, then move to the engine room and propulsion. Get the heavy cutting gear ready for the hull plating.
Mark this section here. The plating is completely warped. We need a full replacement on this weld seam.
As you can see, the measurements confirm severe deterioration. These sections must be cut out and replaced entirely.
It passes inspection. The geometry is spot on with the original measurements.
All right, she's free. Crane, take it up easy. Steady, steady. Keep it clear of the ribs.
The measurements are precise. These are ready for the Tiger. Bring it down 20 millimeters.
Clear on the brace.
Alignment check complete, it's a perfect fit.
Watch the clearance on the port side. Clear, boss. Okay, easy now. Bring it home.
Verified alignment at point 4. Adjusting to 0 reference. Hold the shaft steady, please. The structural integrity looks sound. The symmetry on the cheek is perfect.
Alignment looks good here. Proceed with the final welds on section Gamma.
Ensure the uniformity is consistent across both sides. Let's check the edge definition on the fangs.
Aim for the stern section next, right above the waterline. Roger that, moving to the stern. Alignment is perfect. Torque specs confirmed. Section approved. Move to the next one, team.